This 2013 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 346 QBUD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, CO detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, microwave, skylight, oven, slide-out, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2013 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 346 QBUD is 9,625 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.